I know who else loves guitar music. That is my man, Tom Piotrowski, over at CommSec. Loves the guitars. How are we looking today, Tom?
How can you not love some good axe work, Pete?
Yes.
But the axe is not being wielded where the market's concerned. Quite the opposite, actually. We're seeing a very constructive tone break out where markets are concerned. What we have seen over the last couple of days has been a celebration of some better than expected inflation figures in the US. That has informed the 24 hours that we have just seen, Pete. So whilst the gains for Wall Street are modest, we've got the S&P 500, for example, up by 1/3%. That should be seen through the lens of consolidation, because the day before we had that index up by more than 2%. So similarly, the Nasdaq up 0.2 and the Dow Jones up by around 0.5. The economic news of this day was encouraging in that retail sales were expected to fall in the US in the last month, but they didn't fall as much as was expected. And the key benchmark of manufacturing activity in the US came out a little bit better than expected. So the economy holding together quite well. We did see a little bit of a bump higher as far as interest rate markets are concerned, but that didn't deter buyers where stocks were concerned. One of the key outcomes last night was Target reporting quarterly earnings, Pete. And these numbers went over quite well, as you can see in the response of the share price, which is up by 18%. That's an extraordinary improvement in one session. And that builds on what we have seen generally coming out of the retail space in the last couple of days. Walmart had some Home Depot had some rather good numbers the day before as well. European markets generally higher, benefiting from some better economic news out of China last night, which saw the luxury goods stocks do quite well in European trade. So we had LVMH, Hermès, Christian Dior, they were all up in the order of about 1% last night.
All your favourites, Tom?
We'll kick off with beg pardon?
All your favourites?
I don't have any of that luxury good type kit, Pete. But, I try to keep my choices rather grounded.
Yeah. Speaking of guitars, do you have any? You're a guitar guy.
I appreciate the format. Zero talent.
Okay.
Otherwise.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, that's. I think you've got loads of talent, actually. So just to let you know.
Well, Pete, you're sweet, but that view is held in the minority. So that's
that's all you need.
Any support is welcome.
Minority or not, it's something. Tom Piotrowski, thank you.